Hi everyone, this is Olivia. Here is how I make my lips therapy with all natural ingredients. First of all, I will sanitize my workplace and tool, then my hands. And please wear sterilized gloves. I only need 80% of VCO and vitamin E, 15% of beeswax, and 5% of organic beetroot powders. Mix all the ingredients except vitamin E. Use double boiler to melt the beeswax. Mix vitamin E and other active ingredients at the last. Thank you so much for watching and follow me on YouTube, Instagram and Facebook. See you. Bye.